Welcome back again to my channel. The name is Jeanette. Today we are deep conditioning our hair. My hair was so dry and thirsty, and again an amazing subscriber also wanted to see my deep conditioning routine. The first thing I'm going to do is pre-poo my hair with Melanin Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner and Pure Blend Oil. I usually massage my scalp with oil, apply leave-in conditioner, and further add more oil to my hair. I detangle with my fingers as well as a wide tooth comb, then twist it. I do that to my entire hair, cover it with a shower cap, and leave it for 20 minutes before I shampoo. This prevents breakage and not strip your hair of its natural oils. The shampoo I'll be using today is African Pride Olive Oil Anti-Breakage Shampoo. This shampoo contains a lot of herbs, oils, and so it moisturizes your hair while keeping scalp very clean. I'll be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Mask. It replenishes and moisturizes while strengthening hair. The next product I'll be using is the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Conditioner. This strengthens, prevents split ends and breakage. Olive oil moisturizes hair and reduces scalp irritation. Black castor oil thickens and increases hair growth. Melanin Pure Blend Oil adds shine to hair. And African Pride Shea Miracle Leave-In Conditioner makes hair really soft and manageable. I'm going to go ahead and get all these products into one container because we are doing a cocktail. This is not alcohol we're talking about. This is the deep conditioning cocktail. I don't really measure. I just use how much I need for my hair. Sometimes I even have more left. Sometimes I have nothing left. So it all depends on what your hair needs. So once I have all my products in the container, I will mix everything up to get a very nice creamy consistency. After pre-pooing, washing and conditioning my hair, I am ready to apply this deep conditioner to my hair. I will start by applying Melanin Hair Care Oil to my freshly washed hair, mainly focusing on my scalp. I will massage it in and this stimulates hair growth. Onto conditioning, which is like my favorite part of wash day. I will part my hair into smaller sections. This makes it easier for me to apply this mask. I will scoop a generous amount of the mask and then apply it to this first section. You can see how it applied smoothly on my hair, especially now that my hair is damp. I will make sure each strand is saturated with the conditioner. Once I am done, I detangle with my fingers as well as a wide tooth comb. Once my hair is evenly coated, I will twist it up. Deep conditioning penetrates the hair and helps restore the natural shine to the hair. It also replaces moisture and vital proteins into the hair. I deep condition my hair like once every 3 to 4 weeks. I actually deep condition when I know that my hair needs some nutrients and it's actually dehydrated. I will continue with the same process, coating product or the mask evenly through my hair, detangling, and finally twisting. So I'll do this for my entire hair. My hair needed some strength, some moisture, hydration, so this cocktail is going to benefit me in that way. I know there are so many products out there. If your hair is breaking, there are definitely oils that will help you. If you are experiencing dryness, there are definitely some products and oils that will help you. So do your research before you go ahead and do your deep conditioning process. Honestly, this is what works best for me and I really love it. Once I'm done, my hair is so soft and moisturized, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. Once my entire hair is complete, I will apply the excess product all throughout my hair. Then I will hold my hair up with butterfly clamps. I will use a grocery bag here in this case, or you can use whatever you have. I will apply some heat to my hair with a blow dryer and do this for about 12 to 15 minutes. And since I have low porosity hair, this will open up my cuticles and allow the moisture to get in. After that, I will apply a shower cap and also a towel to trap in all the heat, and I'll keep this on for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And then I will wash it out. This is my favorite routine when my hair needs excess moisture. My hair feels so soft after this routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. I will gladly answer them. See you guys in my next video, and I love you.